just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
Hi everyone! So in this video, let's wear polka dots na blouse. Pwede siyang i-match dito sa red and pwede rin sa pants. This is a Korean blouse. So this is my Korean polka dots blouse. Nagmukha siyang vintage, guys. Pwede naman yung polka sa stripe. Pwede mo rin siyang i-ganito, guys. And let's match it with white pants. Ito na, guys, yung aking Korean polka dots na blouse. I pair this with baggy pants na white. May pa-islit ko siya dito.
This is for Korean vintage modern look. You can also make the necktie as belt to add a fun touch to my outfit. It's just like I'm mixing preppy vibes with street style. So our necktie isn't just for our neck only. Pwede mo siyang gawing belt para may quirky twist. Pwede rin kayo mag-suggest guys sa comment section kung anong gusto nyong outfit na gagawan ko ng video. So dito lamang yan. See you on my next outfit vlog. Babush!